Hello everyone. Welcome to this channel where we get to learn various software technologies in an easy and simple way and how it solves problems in our workplaces. Before we continue, kindly hit on the subscribe button below. Hit also on the notification bell so that you'll be getting updates on new lessons that we will be teaching, that we'll be uploading. And also remember to share this channel to your loved ones, friends, colleagues, and even your children, so that they can also get to learn about these softwares that we are learning. All right, let's continue. So for today, we are going to learn how to add tables in Excel. And before we continue, this is a worksheet. A worksheet in Excel means a page. We can click on the next worksheet like that. This is a new one. This is the one which has our data. So what we have to do is that we have to learn how to rename this worksheet so that we don't confuse when we add another data to the other. It will be easier for us to look for it. So this one, since I've written the data that is about the scores of the students, we will name it as grade 4. Grade 4 scores. Okay, let's say for third term scores. So that maybe in the next sheet, you can come and add the grade 4, maybe first term or scores, something like that. All right. So we have it here, grade 4 third term scores. But then again, since this is a table, we'll come to this. You just click on any cell and then this table design ribbon will pop up. Come to this table design and then come here where it has table 1. Then just let's say it's a table for grade 4. Remember not to put a space on this table. It doesn't want a space. All right, so we finished with that. So what we will learn next is that we need to add a table on this data of ours. But first of all, so let me teach you something. As you can see, the data, this one is in the middle, this one is in the far left, this one's is in the far right, and maybe I need to put this one in the middle. Let's learn how that is done. It's called aligning. So you just come to this ribbon which is written align. You can see this one, so you will see the lines. It has just horizontal lines. Click on the arrow and then it has more, so it will tell you whether you want this one is you want your text to go to the left, you want your text to be in the center, you want your text to be on the right. So for us, I think for this one we want it to be on the center like that. As you can see, our data has come in the middle. It's not in the left like this one, and it's not on the far right like this one. All right, let's learn how to add the tables. So what you will do is you just come and click. As you can see, when you click outside the cell, there is no table ribbon design, but as you click on any cell, it will pop up. So when it pop ups, go there, click it, and then this designs for tables comes up. So what you will do, just come here on this ribbon, and it has a lot of designs. For me, I think I will let me take this one. Yes, so I will take that one as my table design. But as I also need the buttons. I also need the filter buttons, because after adding all this, I would want to know who was the top student and who was the last, sorted it out like that. So what I will do, I just come to this style option here, click on this arrow, and then come and check the filter button, and voila, there it is. As you can see, I now have the filter ribbons. All right, so let's continue. So we want to add these marks, these ones for each student. What will we do? We just come to this cell and type let's name it as total, and then just hit enter like that, and it automatically gives me a column inside the table. As you can see, as you can see here. Yes, it gave me a column inside the table. This one automatically, I didn't have to do anything, I didn't have to select. So let's continue. So now we want the sum of this one. So it's the formula for sum in Excel. You come, I've written two here. So you just come, click on the equal sign, type sum, open the parentheses, click on the first number, number that you want to add, put a colon, and then click on the last number and close the parentheses. That way you will be clicking on the range. When you put a colon, it means a range of numbers, like a range, like you want to add from here to here in a straight line. And then the second formula is just you go to the cell, click on that cell, add a plus sign, click on another, add a plus sign, click like that. Assume I want to add this one. It works very well in a distorted numbers. Like I want to add this one, then I didn't want to select. I want to add this one, and then I come and add this one plus this one plus this one. This formula will work well, but it can also work in a range if you click this and this and this. Yes, but I prefer this first one for a range and this one for a distorted one. So you just come, click on equal sign, type equal sign, and then type sum, then open the parentheses, then click on the first number that you want to add, then put a colon. A colon will mean a range, and then click on the last one, and then close the parentheses, then hit enter. As you can see, it gave me the marks, and it has also yes, it gave me the marks of the students automatically. It copied the formula that I had here and applied it on the other students. All right, so what will we do next? Yes. All right, so let's calculate the average, the mean score of English, chemistry, and French. So we'll just come, the formula for average is you type equal sign, type average, open the parentheses, type the num1, put a colon, num2, close the parentheses, like that. So let's do it. Average, open the parentheses, then go to the first number that you want to add. This is for English, and then I come, then I add a colon, then I click on the last one, then I type parentheses, then I click enter. As you can see, it has given me the mean score of English. What did I do? I clicked on the first cell, put a colon after typing the average, and then opening the parentheses, click on the last one and close the parentheses and hit enter. So I want to calculate for chemistry and French. I'm typing that formula again and again and again. It's wasting time. So I just come, click on that cell which had the formula for average, and I just drag, point here, and it gives me a plus sign, and drag, just drag up to there, and it will automatically give me the mean score of chemistry, give me the mean score of French. All right, so on our last video we did about rounding off numbers in Excel. I think you need to go and check that again so that you can learn how to round off the decimal points in Excel, so that in case you have too much data like this, you know how to round it off to 2 decimal points, or to 3, or to 1 decimal point, according to what you want. All right, so again, I would please kindly ask you to subscribe on our channel, and also hit the notification bell, and kindly share it with your friends so that they can get to learn this thing. You see, we've done our scores and even the average in just less than a few minutes. All right, so assume now I want to know the students, that how they performed. What I will do, I will come to this filter button. Let's say I wanted it from the smallest to the largest. I think the one who got less numbers, like, was the bottom, the one to the top. I just come click here and say sort from smallest to largest. But I think it is better if we sort from largest to smallest. So I'll come and click this one. Yes, so we have our top student here, and our last student here. It has just given us it has filtered, it has sorted it, it has arranged it very well. I don't have to go clicking on one and then arranging from who was the top to who was the last. So thank you so much. Thank you for learning with us. That's all for today. And kindly check on other videos. We'll be learning much more concerning the softwares and how we can apply it in our workplaces to save our time and also save our energy. Thank you so much. God bless you.